Mint by Seamus Heaney. It looked like a clump of small dusty nettles growing wild at the gable of the house, beyond where we dumped our refuse and old bottles. Unverdant ever, almost beneath notice. But, to be fair, it also spelled promise and newness in the backyard of our life, as if something callow yet tenacious sauntered in green alleys and grew rife. The snip of scissor blades, the light of Sunday mornings when the mint was cut and loved. My last things will be first things slipping from me, yet let all things go free that have survived. Let the smells of mint go heady and defenseless, like inmates liberated in that yard, like the disregarded ones we turned against because we'd failed them by our disregard.